ownership and responsibility are crucial because they're part of execution. And Agile portfolio management is hypothetical. It's defining your strategy, but it will find its life into the execution. And you need ownership and responsibility over there. So make sure that you put your Agile portfolio management based on outcomes, intended outcomes, so you give the responsibility and the freedom to the teams to figure out how to achieve that. And use the short cyclic rhythm of the teams, because they will deliver early and often. They will show whether the outcome is there, whether the hypothesis was right or was wrong. And the better they are at actually delivery, and the better they are at actually creating the results predictably, the easier it is for them to take on the responsibility and the accountability. So use your portfolio management as hypothetical. Make sure it's chopped up into pieces that teams can pick up and can execute, and let the delivery and learning process takes its course. Because if they deliver results, they show the value that comes out of it, it's much easier to take responsibility and take up accountability for what you want to achieve.